Well, we're just 3 days away from what's been touted as Bank Transfer Day. The Facebook movement is encouraging people to look into moving their money out of big banks and into credit unions. It's spurred in part by the recent increase in fees at some banks. Banks say the changes were spurred by new regulations that cut bank profits from debit card transaction by an estimated $7 billion.
And Lee, tens of thousands of people have signed up to take part in Bank Transfer Day, but will it really have an effect? One local expert is weighing in. Here's On Your Side consumer advocate Jen Strathman.
On Facebook, more than 72,000 people have pledged to take part in Bank Transfer Day this Saturday. So will 72,000 people really move their money from a bank to a credit union? Bill Monick, an associate professor of banking and finance at Case Western Reserve University, doesn't think so.
You have a vested time and financial interest in your relationship with your bank. And I think it takes more than just a couple small fee increases to get people to move.
Monick expects less than 2% of bank users will actually move their money.
And that's going to make much of a difference at all.
If you decide to do this now or later, there are some things to keep in mind.
The first thing you do with your new bank is make sure that all those bills are now going to be paid out of the account that you establish at the bank.
Be sure your automatic bill pay is working correctly, as well as your direct deposit, before you close up shop on your old account. And if you can't decide if a bank or credit union is right for you,
banking needs are very simple and very plain and limited. Credit union is going to be a lot cheaper for you.
Credit unions usually charge fewer fees and offer higher interest rates on savings. At a bank, you'll get more mobility and one-stop shopping for all types of financial needs. On Your Side, Jen Strathman, News Channel 5.
And if you want to avoid paying those fees at any financial institution, make sure you know the terms and conditions of your account, such as balance minimums and monthly usage fees. As for the safety of your money, federally insured credit unions have a system similar to the FDIC for banks. The National Credit Union Administration is government-backed and covers up to $250,000.